Alrighty guys, y'all see my current situation? That's right guys, I am headed to a tool place called Northern. Alright, it's a little different than Harbor Freight. Alright, I got some broken tools. I want to see if they're replaced. In fact, I broke it at Pull Apart. Alright, this is the little ratchet I keep in my side job bag. Alright, you can see right there, that's missing guys. I have no way to go left or right. Alright, so now I think it's clutch, so it's supposed to be lifetime warranty. Y'all know what? We about to find out, man. Let's get it. So I guess I'm hoping it's lifetime warranty, but we about to find out, guys. And it's a hashtag short video, so I'm gonna need y'all to stay tuned for the full video and let y'all know what happened. Stay tuned. I got this from here a minute ago. It's broke right here. Can I replace this?
Give you a receipt?
No, it's lifetime warranty.
Yes, I will say I will do it one time because that lifetime, if you actually read the website, is limited lifetime warranty.
Limited lifetime warranty?
Yeah, just like everybody. Because just like Craftsman.
Whoa, y'all heard that? He didn't sound too happy. I think this is it right here, yep. Oh, he say, let me see. It says lifetime, y'all see that? Make sure it ain't me. It says lifetime warranty. It don't say limited lifetime warranty. Oh my goodness, this could get a little interesting. Let's find out. I want to look at something. This guy just fed me a bunch of, now the tool is clutch, but do y'all see what this says right here? Let me go sideways. Can y'all read that? If your clutch hand tool should ever fail, we will replace it. No questions asked. Do y'all see that? Do y'all freaking see that? Okay, lifetime guarantee. That's why I just got the two. In fact, I got the last one. But I wanted to come back over here to make sure I wasn't seeing things. Okay, now I'm not trying to get Buddy in trouble, but he can't just be manhandling customers and just telling them any old thing. I got my mechanic shirt on. So what makes you think you can bullshit a mechanic? Like, we the king of let me stop. My point is, I want y'all to make sure y'all see that. I'm gonna zoom in on it. If your clutch hand tool should ever fail, we will replace it, no questions asked. Not only did he just ask me a bunch of questions, he just schooled me on the fact on how the warranty works. Maybe he's doing his job. I don't know, but if that's his job, all they got to do is make it aware to people. All right, I bought that thing. I'm not buying no tools that don't have lifetime warranty on it. I'm just not. Those days are over. Okay, so if companies going to invest and convince me to purchase their tool, they have to have lifetime warranty on it. I don't give a damn if it's Snap-on, Mako, Craftsman, whoever. If it's not lifetime warranty, I'm not buying it. Because there's too many other tools out there that will sell you a lifetime warranty tool. Now, if I break it, I expect to get a new one. It's as simple as that. Not being difficult. I'm just, you're going to have to honor your word. All right? I took a chance with your tool, my friend. I literally took a chance with the tool that I bought, expecting it to hang around. The one I bought didn't last. Why are you telling me limited your lifetime? I don't know what the hell he was saying, but that's crazy. All right, he did end up approving it, so let me shut up and get out of here. I just wanted to make sure what I was seeing wasn't a farce. So let me grab my new tool, and I'll probably be done dealing with these folks. See right here, it says lifetime. What you mean?
I understand that, but go on the website and look up the item number. Everything will have lifetime warranty on it, but they all have a limited lifetime warranty because you can't do 100% lifetime.
So I always thought that was crazy too.
And it is. It's the lifetime of the tool, not yours. That's what a lot of people don't understand. When they say lifetime, even Craftsman back in the day was lifetime of the tool, not lifetime of the person. I'm not saying right, wrong, or indifferent.
Why don't they put it on there? Like, that may deter. I mean, that may. I don't know. Just a thought.
I mean, they're still not in it yet. And also, it says on there that you're supposed to have your receipt. That's part of that.
Like the paper receipt, so to keep that.
Either the paper receipt or have one that you can print.
Yeah, so they literally had to take, I guess, what was it, $30 out of their inventory to give to a guy that took a chance on your freaking tool. You know what I'm saying? This is not the best tool in the world, but it's a hand ratchet that I use for, my side job bag. When I don't have to have high quality tools, guys, when I'm, doing side work. Okay, so These are the type tools that I use. All right. I don't know what that's all about, man. Y'all, what y'all think about that whole situation? It's getting, oh my goodness. The last incident I had with that wrench, I think that was the same guy. I'm not sure. I'm gonna card that video right here at the top. Let me know if that voice sounds the same. That might be the same freaking guy. All right, guys, I gotta go. I'm out of time. Guys, I got a wire repair job I gotta do. It's only one problem. I'm out of Rasico solder, so I had them to order me some Mopar solder. All right, y'all know me, Mopar, no car. Here go the accessories where we keep all our goodies at. Yeah, I got plenty of electrical tape, Rasico solder. Oh my goodness, this it right here. Oh no, 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 no! Dermot solder? No, I'm not using this crap. Where's the freaking Mopar? I'm not. I don't even want the job now, man. The job pay 8 hours. I'm gonna turn it down. I don't even want it now. Forget it. I'm using electrical tape. They out of their damn mind. Gonna try to bring me some Dermot solder? Dermot already got the market cornered on freaking oil cooler. Ain't nowhere in the hell. Y'all see this? Freaking Dermot. Nope, I don't even want the job, but I'm gonna do the job, okay, because it pay 8 hours. But you know what? I'm not gonna even solder. I'm gonna use electrical tape. The hell with that. They got me bent, man. I'm JT the car guy. I'm not using that crap. I'm not no Dermot. I'm Mopar, no car. Alrighty, guys, look what showed up. It's here. The manual transmission is here. Now all we waiting on is the clutch. We can get this job done, guys. Anybody want to take a wild guess as to what happened? Can you say foul play? Do you suspect foul play? I don't know, guys. I'll let y'all guess at it, okay? I'll get in trouble by making a crazy guess. Look at that clutch. Oh my goodness. All right, yeah, it split this damn thing. Here go the face of the freaking yeah, I don't know. Foul play. All right, here's the vehicle right here. Let's take a look and see that they damage anything as far as the vehicle go. I don't see any damage, guys. Ooh, this rear main seal leaking. Okay, you got to make sure that you get that replaced. I think you got to get the whole retainer. Okay, you can't just get the seal. It looks like it's coming out anyway. So yeah, that's gonna be an oil leak, but foul play, I don't know, man. This clutch job is ruined. I have never seen a transmission bust open like this, guys. Look at this, it's in pieces. Woo. Yeah, we waiting on the clutch now, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. We gotta get this thing replaced. Guys, I'm headed to do a oil cooler adapter housing job on a friend's vehicle. The shop is closed. Today's Sunday, and I forgot my suction pump. Y'all know when you pick that oil cooler up, you're gonna have coolant and oil mixture everywhere. You do not want to leave that mixture sitting down there. So I don't want to buy another one of these, but I don't want to leave his car messy like that either. So I'm gonna get one of these portable ones. All right, we're gonna see how this thing work out. Again, all right, you really need to clean that stuff out. You really need to change the oil. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna find a way to change his oil while I'm at it, or instruct him to go straight somewhere and get an oil change. Or you can drain the coolant and limit how much of that fluid get trapped in that area, okay? Figure out the best way to do it for you and your customer. Look at that. Hey, look at that. Harbor Freight came through for your boy. Oh, I filled it up, guys.